The Maspalomas Dunes on the island of Gran Canaria are a natural wonder that attracts tourists from all over the world. Located in the popular resort town of Maspalomas, these dunes offer a unique and breathtaking landscape unlike anything else on the island. The dunes of Maspalomas offer a unique and breathtaking landscape unlike any other in the Canary Islands. The quicksand creates an ever-changing landscape that is both mesmerizing and awe-inspiring. Visitors can explore these dunes on foot or ride a camel. Travelers who have visited the dunes of Maspalomas often rave about their beauty and tranquility. The vast expanses of sand against a backdrop of clear blue skies and ocean create a sense of serenity that is hard to find anywhere else. If you're planning a visit to Gran Canaria, be sure to include a trip to the dunes of Maspalomas in your itinerary. Whether you are looking for adventure or just want to relax amidst the splendor of nature, this unique landscape will leave you with unforgettable memories.